when you look at the night sky and it appears that the stars are moving. But why? The stars are so far away from Earth that you would not actually be able to see their movement. If the stars are not actually moving, then why do they appear that way? The cause of this phenomenon is the Earth's rotation on its own axis. One full rotation of the Earth's on its axis is 1 day. As the Earth rotates on its axis, different stars become visible and other stars go out of sight. These stars are not disappearing, they are just going out of your sight. If the stars are not moving, then why do we see different stars at different parts of the year? As the year goes on and the seasons change, different stars become visible. The cause of the phenomenon is not the Earth's rotation on its axis, but the Earth's rotation around the sun, which is also called a revolution. The time it takes to complete one revolution is 1 year. As the Earth makes its way around the sun, different stars are visible. You have probably heard of meteors before, but these are not the only objects that move through space. Meteors are small bodies from space that enter Earth's atmosphere. Meteoroids are small bodies from space that have not entered the Earth's atmosphere. A meteorite is a meteor that makes its way through the atmosphere and lands on Earth's surface. A comet is an icy small solar system body that, when passing close to the sun, warms and begins to release gases, a process called outgassing. And asteroids are larger bodies, sometimes the size of moons, that orbit the sun but are not considered moons because they do not orbit a planet. Scientists believe about 65 million years ago, an asteroid 6 miles across hit Earth, wiping out the dinosaurs. With all of these objects moving through space, do you ever wonder what would happen if one were to hit Earth? Meteors enter Earth's atmosphere all the time, but usually burn up before hitting the surface. Do you ever wonder what would happen if a large comet or asteroid were to hit Earth? Scientists have done simulations, made calculations, and done research to see what would happen. They found that a comet or asteroid were to hit the Earth, it won't matter where it hit. There would be mass destruction across the planet, and asteroids the size of Texas could potentially wipe us out. The force of the asteroid would be about the force of 100 nuclear bombs.
The impact alone would kill 2.5 billion people within seconds. This is about 1/3 of the Earth's population. The impact would also vaporize everything in the immediate area, changing the atmosphere and rising the overall temperature of the planet. This temperature rise would be like speeding up the process of global warming and would result in wildfires, melting of the ice caps, and many other problems. Scientists also believe that the impact of the asteroid would cause the Earth to be covered in dust for a year, blocking out sunlight and making it hard to recover.
But what if the asteroid hit the ocean? You may think that this would result in less damage, but this could possibly be worse. Think of throwing a rock into a lake and the ripple it makes in the water. An asteroid hitting the ocean would result in unimaginably large waves that could wipe out cities. Overall, the impact of an asteroid on the Earth's surface would result in catastrophic damage and potentially wipe out our species. The casualties would be unavoidable unless we left the planet before impact.